Hey, how are you doing, Ophelia?
I'm good. We're right there. Okay, let me go get Lance.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
What's up?
Lance was gone all week. He's been putting out fires. I thought he was here. I looked all over the building. He just left on a call. He says for me to make an appointment, he'll have it out for you tomorrow, and then I can call you when it's here.
Ophelia, I thought.
I know. I tried my part. See, I've got everything ready, but
Yeah, but I thought you said you were gonna have it in your drawer or something for me.
yeah, but I was gone yesterday, and Lance was just it's his first day back.
You know, it's I mean, I've come over here
I'm
twice.
sorry, yes, I understand, I apologize, it's just, I was gone yesterday when my son had.
Do you have an
surgery.
itemized list of what,
I've got everything in the report right here that he needs, but he's just not able to get it for you today. Too many fires to put out.
yeah, too many fires.
I know, I apologize, Michael,
Is he a firefighter or is he a
He's a deputy, he's a deputy.
Okay. Was he a sergeant at one time or?
He is a sergeant. I'm
Okay.
sorry, he's a sergeant.
And Salas just got promoted, correct?
He's lieutenant, yes.
Yeah, he's not a, he's a bully.
I apologize, I know, look, I've
But,
got everything prepared, it just wasn't possible to be done today. I've been there trying to, look, put out fires myself because I was gone for 2 days, so I apologize, I tried my best.
So when?
Tomorrow, I will call you, he promises it'll be out tomorrow afternoon, and I will work on it. I won't let any other people.
Okay, but I mentioned it on, you do have an itemized list of what I'm supposed to
I
receive?
have everything that he needs right here.
Okay, because I know I'm supposed to have my camera, the battery it came with, and the SD card. I want to have that SD card that was in it. Because he went and had that, he went and got a warrant for it. And they took it out and whatever they do with it. But I want to have everything back the way it was.
Yep.
Okay.
I will make sure that he knows that. I tell you, everything is in this report.
So when you say tomorrow now,
It's in the camera, you have evidence at times, yeah, see, so.
what is that CD that you have right that's in there?
I don't know, actually.
Don't-
Investigative, Rick Foley investigating, I don't know. I can't tell you.
Okay.
I just know I found everything that pertained to it and I got it together so that he can get it back for you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And I've got your phone number, so don't come, let me call you before you come in.
Yeah,
That way
I've
we'll
heard
save you
that
that
don't
time.
call us, we'll call you, but
I'm doing my best for you, I
I
really am.
get it. But I came over because he said Wednesday. He said Tuesday, and they said, oh no, Wednesday. I said,
Yeah,
okay, I came on Wednesday. I said, I'll be
He wasn't
during.
gonna be back till today, but.
I thought you said Monday he was going to be back.
No, he was Monday back from Albuquerque, he didn't come back to work till today. And I was gone Monday and Tuesday, so. But I will call you, and I do apologize, Michael. I tried my best for you.
Okay.
Take care.
Another fail.